was wondering what you're videotaping.
Oh, just the bank.
For what reason?
I don't have to give you a reason.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I didn't call you.
No, I know that. They called us.
Okay.
They're concerned because you're videotaping people inside the bank.
Okay.
Is there a reason you're doing that?
Do I have to have a reason?
Say that again?
Do I have to have a reason?
Nope.
All right. Name and badge number?
Officer Birch, 508.
He's scaring our customers.
Oh yeah, what he's doing is a little strange. No doubt
Yes,
about
in a bank.
it. Yeah, I mean,
He's scaring our customers. She was afraid to come out.
I haven't said a
Thank
word.
you.
I
Thank
got
you.
you.
I got permission.
From who?
Yeah.
What is it?
The interaction begins with officers arriving quickly and immediately showing their bias, treating a camera as a threat instead of a lawful tool. Their tone reveals how uncomfortable they are with accountability, even before understanding the situation. Rather than assessing facts, they lean on intimidation to control the narrative. The filmer remains calm, holding his ground and sticking to his rights. This moment highlights the imbalance between lawful conduct and ego-driven policing.
Oh, well, there you go. Have that back. Yeah, so they were just concerned. Obviously, they have a place of business here that they're trying to run, and when customers are concerned, they're going to call them.
All right.
So that's why
That was quick.
What's that?
You guys came here in record time.
You keeping record?
This is oh shit! Look at that.
What's up? Yeah, we're all good.
So is my permission good enough?
Well, I mean, we got to talk with the bank. I would imagine that
Yeah.
this is probably still bank
Can you
property.
ask them why they're recording me? They're scaring me right there. See that?
What? Their cameras?
Yeah, look.
Yeah, every bank has cameras.
So
Every bank in America has cameras.
I didn't call the cops on them.
No, but you elected to come here.
Yeah, but this is public.
Right, but you came here, right, knowing that there's surveillance cameras. So,
Well, she came here knowing that I'm videotaping too.
well, it wasn't her that was concerned. The lady was.
As the officer questions him, it becomes clear that the bank's discomfort becomes more important than the citizen's rights. Instead of explaining the law, the officer implies suspicion simply because recording feels strange. This exposes how people often rely on emotion rather than legality when cameras appear. The filmer stands firm, refusing to give unnecessary explanations while remaining respectful. His calm demeanor contrasts with the officer's defensive posture.
Already in the bank, then you showed up.
No. She came out first. I didn't say a word to anybody.
You didn't have to say a word to anybody to make them feel uneasy, right?
Okay.
So they're concerned because you're videotaping people who do not want to be videotaped.
Yeah, but I got permission. You
That's
saw
not
it.
real permission. You need permission for the people you're videotaping to videotape.
Oh yeah, what's that law?
You can videotape them out here. You cannot videotape them in there. They have an
Oh, like-
expectation of privacy.
Like
in
this?
here.
I
That's
can't do
correct.
that.
That's correct. So if people don't want to be videotaped inside a private entity, they have the right to refuse it.
So I can't videotape through the window?
You can't videotape into a private business now. The same I
Really?
could videotape into your home. That's
Okay.
the same. They have an expectation of privacy in there.
I think you need to read the law, sir.
Telling you why we're here. That's why they call.
Okay, so I can't point over here.
You should not be videotaping people.
Okay,
inside
what are you
a
gonna do
private-
about it if I do?
The officers begin inventing rules, claiming he needs permission from anyone he films, revealing their misunderstanding of public photography laws. Instead of confirming legal standards, they assert assumptions to pressure him into compliance. This tactic is common, rely on authority to sound convincing rather than accurate. But the filmer challenges the claim directly and forces them to confront their lack of knowledge. That pressure already shifts the balance of the encounter.
If it's catching footage inside, you can't be doing.
Oh yeah, it's
cool.
catching footage, definitely.
All right, then maybe you should stand a little further back.
I'll be on the street.
Maybe
Don't
back
get up in
that
the
way.
car.
No, you can't tell me where I stand.
Okay. Well, here's the
Like
thing,
you,
dude.
good.
Like, okay, I get it's a public sidewalk. You have a right to be out here.
Okay,
All
they're
right,
recording me
but-
right there.
Okay, you don't got to be here.
Seem to be here.
You don't got to be here.
Okay, I could
You are
videotape
elected
right
to
into.
be in this
Look at this. I'm gonna zoom right in.
So here's the thing. I
Zooming in.
get what you're doing. All right, you're one of these like, First Amendment guys. That's cool and all, but here's the thing. You can't expect to not upset people. If I was in there as a customer doing my financial business,
Okay.
I come out here and some weirdo sticking a camera in my face, I'd be a little concerned.
Is that why you guys have cameras too? So you can
have
upset
these.
people?
Well, we have these for
Okay, well,
documentation
it's upsetting me.
purposes. Well,
They're upsetting
like I
me
said,
too.
You don't got to be here. You don't got to be here.
But I want to be right here.
The officer escalates by insisting there is an expectation of privacy inside a bank visible from a public sidewalk, which is legally incorrect. This shows the officer's reliance on confidence instead of real legal grounding. When challenged, he doubles down rather than reconsider the statement. The filmer exposes the flaw by showing that cameras inside the bank film the public nonstop. This moment chips away at the officer's false authority.
Okay, like I said, you're elected.
I'm not
to
moving
be...
anywhere, just so you know.
Okay, that's fine.
And I'm going to be
That's fine.
videotaping into the bank. I'm not walking in.
Okay, well, here's the
But
thing.
check this out.
Check it out. I'll check it out. And here's the thing, since you want to be so cool and cooperative, if I do find out that you violated any laws, I'm going to show you the inside of a prison cell.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What's your name, badge number?
Azar 487.
All right.
Okay? Just so we're clear. If I find out you're
What do
violating
you mean
any
if
laws,
you find out?
well, you want me to look up the law, right?
Yeah, go ahead.
That's what I'm going to go
Yeah.
do. Okay? All right? Have fun.
Yeah.
Okay, here's what we got for you.
Did you find out what the law is from the bankers?
Well, here's what we got for you. You're not allowed to go into the business, okay? If you go into the business, you'll be arrested for trespassing.
I already knew that before I came here.
There you go. Now you know.
Do you know what the law is? I could go like this.
The officer becomes visibly irritated when the filmer refuses to move or hide his camera, revealing how authority figures react when control slips away. Instead of focusing on lawful behavior, the officer focuses on his personal discomfort. The filmer stays polite but unshakable, reminding him that a public sidewalk is open to everyone. This exposes how officers sometimes rely on tone, not law, to command obedience. Their growing frustration shows their lack of solid footing.
This? So did you find out what the fucking law is?
You're a real smart guy, huh?
Yeah.
You know what the law is, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you don't.
You can try
And you're a
clickbait
fucking
as
police
much as you
officer.
want. You can try and clickbait as much as you want. Okay, if you step into the bank, you'll be arrested.
All right.
Okay?
I
Have a good
already
day.
knew that. I already, don't tell me to fucking direct
Have a
us,
good
okay?
day. You have a good
All right.
day.
You know
sir.
what? You
Have
don't
a
know what the law
wonderful
is,
day.
and you tell me, oh, if I find out, I'm gonna fucking put you in jail.
Go pound sand, buddy.
Yeah,
Have
yeah.
a good day.
That's
All
true.
right, dude, like and
Have
subscribe,
a good
right?
day.
Like and
Have a good
subscribe.
Hopefully Jesus gives you bond money when you mess up.
Yep. Don't worry, I won't. So he told me I can't record into Windows because he didn't know what the law is.
I told you couldn't zoom into windows when people have an expectation of privacy is what I told you.
Well, I just did zoom into Windows and I could all day.
He's doing what he
When the officer threatens him with jail if he finds out he violated something, the intimidation becomes completely baseless. It is a classic scare tactic: create fear without citing a real statute. The filmer immediately calls it out, refusing to be bullied, and demands badge numbers. His assertiveness forces transparency that officers hope to avoid. This moment demonstrates the power of knowing your rights and refusing to fold under threats.
can to try and bait people in so we can. his YouTube
They got a
channel can
camera
go
too,
from 5
pointing at
people
me.
to 10 people.
You guys have cameras, right?
Dude, I mean, listen, man, you can record 24 hours a day. You might go up from 5 subscribers to 10.
All right. I'll show all my 11 subscribers.
Good bud.
All right. Name and badge number?
Dixon 783.
All right. I like the stripes.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Once the officer steps away to check the law, the weakness of their earlier claims becomes even more obvious. They attempt to return with confidence but still fail to cite any actual statute about filming from outside. Instead, they retreat to the only enforceable rule: trespassing if he enters the building. The filmer already knew that, proving his knowledge exceeds theirs. Their shift in tone shows their earlier statements were not grounded in law.